Copilot in Microsoft Word 365 is an AI assistant that helps you write, summarize, brainstorm, and more, all within the Word. So in order to set up Copilot, check what you need. You need to first have the Microsoft 365 subscription. Go ahead and open your Microsoft 365 Copilot. Go to Copilot that you will find in the left-hand side of the screen between Home and Create. Now you need to go ahead and buy Microsoft 365. That will cost you some amount. And if you're sure that you want to buy, you can go ahead and follow the process. And after you're done with that, make sure that the Copilot or the Microsoft AI add-in is turned on. Restart Word to see the Copilot panel and start using the Copilot. Click on the Copilot button to open the sidebar. Type in prompts like summarize this document, write an introduction, rewrite this in a formal style, and after setup, Copilot helps you save time by creating content, editing, and giving AI suggestions in Word. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.